Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into how to create new projects on Asana, your 2025 complete guide. First off, log into your Asana account and on the left side panel, click the orange plus button. This step is crucial as it's where the journey of creating a new project begins. Now that we've done that, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Project. This helps us because it directly takes us to the project creation page, saving us a few precious seconds. Next up, you'll see a pop-up window where you need to input your project details. Fill in your project name, choose the project's privacy setting, and select a project view, either list, board, or timeline. The reason we do this is to provide Asana with key details to structure your project according to your preference and team needs. Once you've filled in the details, click on the Create Project button. Let me explain why this matters. Hitting the Create Project button finalizes your input and brings your project to life. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is creating a workspace based on your input, a home for all your tasks related to this project. You can now start adding tasks, deadlines, and assignees. And voila, you've just completed creating a new project on Asana. Remember, the key to effective project management is organizing your tasks well, and creating a project on Asana is your first step towards that. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Until next time, keep managing those projects like a pro.